it's time for a DIY. Today we're going to be making our pool noodle rockets. First, you're going to start with some cardboard, cut it out into 3 triangles. Get your pool noodle and slice it into a third. Then you're going to get something pointy to stick it through the noodle using some elastic bands. Once you've got it on each side, wrap it around, get another one, and you're going to wrap it around the inside elastic. This is going to help us throw and shoot the rocket. Tape up the top so it's nice and strong. You're going to use your knife again to cut 2 big slits on both sides. Using some PVA glue, slide the triangle in. These are going to be the wings. Cut a nice good slice on each end. This is going to be where you fit the other wings of the rocket. The rocket wings help it to fly through the air and to stay up. Glue them in nice and tight. Give it a bit of time to dry. And there you have it. You got a rocket noodle. Good job. You should try it at home or try it with your teachers. They are a lot of fun. Now that you made your noodle rocket, here's 3 games that you can play. 1 by yourself, 1 with a partner, and 1 in a group. First game by yourself is you can shoot the rocket into the air and give it a catch. Make sure you're pointing it nice and high, shooting it up, and try and catch it with 2 hands. Have your partner hold up a hula hoop, stand back, point it to the center of the hula hoop, and shoot it on through. Third game is a game you can do as a group. Thanks, Ira. Set up some buckets in a nice tall tower. You and your friends grab your rockets and try and knock it down. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Have fun!